Ano magiging kasagutan, Shubi?
It's the girls. Because girls are always right.
Rice cooker. Okay. So, it's a final answer. Bumili ng sariling rice cooker.
Yeah.
Yes, once upon a time.
Yeah.
eto na.
Yeah. Here. Girls, the right
Bumili.
answer.
Sariling rice cooker. Kabog or sabog? In
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sila nagsabi! Taste mo yung one. Grabe. niya pa rin, Chubby. Wait lang. You became white na
Oh my.
No, it was Hailey. I promise. It was Hailey.
Wala, masisi ka pa, Hailey.
Hindi mo, ayun na.
Ginonsyaba ang yaya.
Tapos na yun.
Okay.
Oh, no. Tall and white and handsome now.
Yes,